my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another video. Today's selection, the focaccia bread, also known as Roman flatbread, is a bread that hails from southern Italy. As I continue to make Italian dishes and dishes from the Italian American cuisine, I hope you enjoy and I hope you come back for the rest of the month. All right, I'll let you get to the video. To strip the rosemary from its stem, simply hold it firmly at the very top and pull it opposite the way it grows on the stem. I also decided to add chopped sun-dried tomatoes as one of my toppings on this focaccia bread, but I won't show myself chopping it in the video. I'll show the chopped sun-dried tomatoes at the end when I put the topping on the bread. All right, back to the video. If the dough gets a little bit sticky while you're kneading by hand, just dust the bowl just a little bit with some flour to make it a little bit easier. All right, back to the video. sure you spread the dough into all the corners. As it sits and ferments, it will pull away from the corners, but you want to make sure you push it into the corners now so it won't shrink as much. All right, now back to the video. Notice how the dough only rises halfway up the side of the pan. I want you to remember that. Back to the video. Now, as you can see here, the dough has risen almost to the very top of the pan. Let's get back to the video. I chose to place the chopped rosemary on only half of the focaccia bread. On the other half, I'll be placing the freshly grated Parmesan cheese and my freshly chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Alternately, you can mix in the sun-dried tomatoes in some of the dough before you press it into the pan. That way you won't have burnt sun-dried tomatoes on the top. Back to the video. The sun-dried tomatoes were not sticking onto the focaccia bread, so what I'm doing is going to add an egg wash and then apply the sun-dried tomatoes. That should allow it to stick. All right, back to the video. Well, look at these beauties. I will pair one of these focaccia bread slices with the chicken piccata that I made earlier, or with one of the dishes I plan to make later this month. All right now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Or set out a saucer of extra virgin olive oil with freshly cracked black pepper, just for dipping the bread. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of it. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. If you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. And if you're not a subscriber, why don't you consider subscribing if you'd like to see more of these videos? If you'd like to share, I would love if you do that. And as I always say when I leave you, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I hope to see you again soon.